How to fix PS5 controller not charging. Let's get started. Today we are diving into a common issue faced by PS5 users, the dreaded PS5 controller not charging problem. But fear not, because we have got a guide to help you troubleshoot and fix it. Let's get started. Begin by powering off your PS5 console completely. Make sure it's not in rest mode but fully shut down. Simply hold down the power button until the console shuts down. Now let's reset the controller. Flip it over and locate the small reset hole to the right of the Sony logo. Grab a paper clip or a pin and gently press the reset button inside the hole for about 3 to 5 seconds. And there you have it, reset complete. Plug the controller back in and turn on your console. Let's see if it fixes the issue. Still having the issue? It's time to check the charging port for any dust or debris that might be blocking the connection. Grab a can of compressed air or simply blow into the port to clear out any obstructions. If all else fails, it might be a problem with the charging cable itself. Inspect it for any damage or bending. If you are still struggling, consider using a docking station for charging. It's not ideal, but it might just do the trick. And there you have it, a guide to fix your PS5 controller not charging issue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Until next time, happy gaming!